That's right, marshmallow mukbang, guys. It's about to go down. Got the Swedish fish marshmallow joints. Swedish fish marshmallow. And we also got the sour thin sweet Sour Patch Kids watermelon marshmallow. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, guys. Let's see who get to try that marshmallows first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Amari gets to try it first. All right, Omar and Amari, which one do you guys think you're gonna like best? The Swedish fish or the marshmallow one?
Swedish fish.
Amari, you think you're gonna like the Swedish fish?
Yeah.
Omar, you think you're gonna like the Swedish fish too first? All right, guys, so Omar, you get out the way. It's about to go down. Omar, you come over here. I'm gonna try to trick Amari. Okay, so Amari thinks he's gonna like the Swedish fish.
Yeah.
Put him to the test. We're gonna cover his eyes as he pick and he tastes it. Let's see if he picks it accurately. Is it really the one that he likes? I'm gonna put one here, one there. Keep your eyes closed. Let's see if we spin it around. 'Cause I know you cheated, because that's what kids do. Kids cheat. 3, 4, 5, 7, 4, 9, 3, 8, 10. Guys, get down. All right. You guys see him? You see him, Omar? All right. Pick one, pick it up, grab it. Eat one bite. Down. 1 to 10. What it tastes like? 1 to 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. Grab the other one. Grab it. Bite it. Where's that? Which one do you think it is?
Sour Patch Kids?
No. What do you rate it? 1 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Which one you like better? The first one or the second one?
Second.
The second. You like the second one better? Second one better?
Yes.
All right. Go sit down. The second one was the Sour Patch watermelon marshmallow joint. So you picked it wrong. You thought you were gonna like the Swedish fish one. All right, get out of here. All right, guys. The same with Omar. Omar, what do you think you're gonna like first, the Swedish fish, or do you think you're gonna like the Sour Patch more? Which Swedish fish? You think you like that one? All right. Let's spin it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go down. Stay right there. All right, go reach for one. Go grab one. Grab one. Bite it.
In your mouth.
What would you rate it? 11 out of 10. What? Okay, grab another one. Grab another one.
You
Okay.
gotta put it in your mouth.
What do you rate it? 1 out of 10?
5 out of 10.
A 5 out of 10? Okay. Which one do you like better? The first one or the second one? The first one? You chose right. The first one was the Swedish fish marshmallow. You gave the Sour Patch Kid watermelon one a 5. So he chose the Swedish fish one. He got it right. Give me 5. Boom. Give him a handshake. Yeah. Come on.
Hey!
Do I secret? Boom, boom, boom. Oh my, I got it right. Amara, you participated. Come get my 5. Boom, boom, boom. Good job.
Bye, YouTube family. Thank you for watching.
That's all right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Leave any questions, concerns, or anything you didn't like, or what you loved, all that good stuff. See you guys in the next video.